Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the vehicle-to-vehicle communication kit for Polaris side-by-side. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for checking in. So we got a cool accessory from Polaris we want to show you today. This is the vehicle-to-vehicle communication kit. Now, several years ago, Polaris came out with their Ride Command, which a lot of people are familiar with, and it's a really cool system that is basically a full diagnostic system for your side-by-side, but also a GPS. And one of the great features about the Ride Command is the group ride feature. Now, prior to 2020, when you're using the group ride technology, which we're going to talk more about, you had to use the app on your phone. Well, now what's happened is that for models 2020 and newer that come with a Ride Command, they actually include an antenna just like this. Now, what's cool about the group ride technology is that it allows you to see and know exactly where everyone is at all times in your group. So when you're out there having a good time, there's a lot of benefits to that. You know, out here in the West, when it's hot and sunny in the summertime, it gets really dusty. So for us, we don't like to always just be so close to people that we're eating their dust the whole time. So we like to back it up and give them some space. But sometimes that can be kind of a hassle when somebody gets to a turn and they have to stop and wait for the people to catch up just to make sure that they don't miss the turn. Or it's a huge safety benefactor. If somebody gets lost, if they take a wrong turn, you can see where that person is, you can see that they've stopped moving, and you can navigate directly back to them. So group ride feature is awesome to have. Now, prior to 2020, to use the group ride technology, you had to use the app on your phone. Now, the app works great. However, that means you got to have your phone out the whole time, and you are limited to cellular service. So now what's cool is that, like I said, for 2020 newer models, they include this antenna. And the great thing about this is now you get that group ride functionality directly on your display in your side-by-side. And the reason that is so nice is because, one, now you're hands-free. You can just look at your in-dash system and you can see exactly what's going on. But also, you don't rely on cellular service, which is a biggie. You know, for us, most of the time where we're at, we either have very little or we have no cellular service. So having just the GPS with the antenna is super nice. Now, what's nice and great that Polaris did is that for 2019 and older models that either came with a Ride Command or maybe you added yours after you bought it, you can now just buy this communication kit, install it on your side-by-side. We have a great how-to video, shows you step-by-step how to get this installed. What I like is that it goes underneath the dash panel. It's completely out of the way. It's a simple install process. You drill one hole, you get this mounted, then you route the wiring. You do have to update your Ride Command. Just keep that in mind before you go out there and start riding. You got to get that updated. But once you do those two easy things, now you can get the ride or the group ride functionality directly on your display on your Ride Command, which we think is awesome. So again, if you have a model that was 2019 and older and you want to use that group ride functionality, pick up this communication kit, get your software updated, and you're ready to go out there and have a good time, add more fun and safety to your ride. So if you do have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure, leave those in the comment section below. To pick one of these up, it's really simple. Just click on the link in the description of this video or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And when you're picking yours up, just enter the year, make, and model that you have. That will ensure that it is going to be compatible with your side-by-side. And as always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you like this video and you want to always stay up to date on the latest product spotlights that we're doing here at Rocky Mountain, get subscribed, hit the notification bell, and that'll keep you up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.